Unveiling the beauty of garden restoration. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very special phrase, garden restoration. Whether you're a gardening enthusiast or simply love learning new English terms, this video is for you. Let's embark on this green journey together and uncover the layers behind garden restoration. First off, let's break down the phrase into two parts, garden and restoration. A garden refers to a plant space, usually outdoors, set aside for the display, cultivation, and enjoyment of plants and other forms of nature. Restoration, on the other hand, means the action of returning something to a former owner, place, or condition. When we combine these words, garden restoration involves the process of bringing a garden back to its former glory. This can include revitalizing plants, repairing structures, and reintroducing native species that were once part of the garden's ecosystem. Garden restoration is not just about beautifying spaces. It's a crucial endeavor for several reasons. Firstly, it helps in preserving historical gardens, maintaining their cultural significance and historical integrity. Secondly, it plays a vital role in conserving biodiversity by restoring habitats for various plant and animal species. Lastly, garden restoration can enhance community well-being, creating serene and aesthetically pleasing environments for people to enjoy. Embarking on a garden restoration project can be both exciting and daunting. Here are the key steps involved. 1. Research and planning. Understand the garden's history and original design. Planning involves deciding which plants and features to restore or introduce. 2. Clearing and cleaning. Remove debris, weeds, and any harmful materials that have accumulated over time. 3. Soil revitalization. Test and amend the soil to ensure it can support new plant life. 4. Plant selection and cultivation. Choose plants that are appropriate for the garden's climate and historical accuracy. Begin planting and tending to them carefully. 5. Structural repairs. Restore or reconstruct paths, walls, and water features to their original state. 6. Maintenance and upkeep. Regular care is essential to keep the garden thriving in its restored condition. We hope this journey through the world of garden restoration has been enlightening and inspiring. Whether you're planning to restore a garden or just appreciate the concept, remember that garden restoration is a meaningful way to connect with history, nature, and community. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more engaging content. Happy gardening and happy learning!